What does Windows P, Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift Delete, Ctrl A, and Windows L all have in common? Well, if you guessed that right, I'm very glad to hear that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, no worries at all. That's the topic for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I'm Curtis Hyde, and I'm with Colorado Computer Support. Well, each one of those I'd read off are actually shortcut commands that you can use on your keyboard to allow you to do a shortcut into something. So for instance, it allows you to minimize all your programs at the same time. Or for instance, if you close a tab you're working on and you didn't want to inside of a web browser, you can reload that tab you just closed. Or maybe you need to walk away from your computer and it's kind of a pain to go in and lock your computer, and you can just go ahead and hit 2 buttons and it'll lock your computer for you. So that actually can help increase productivity and work time just by learning a couple of shortcuts on your keyboard. Inside the email I sent you, there's a link. Go ahead and click that link and it'll take you to a web page. It'll show you several hundred different options of what you can do with that keyboard. You might find a trick or two inside of there that might help you with some productivity down the road with all the time we spend on computers these days. Of course, if you do have any additional questions or would like to further talk to us about any type of IT need for your business, feel free to give us a phone call. We're Colorado Computer Support. We're experts at what we do. You can reach us at 719-439-0599. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you next time for the next Tuesday Tech Tip. Thank you so much.